Okay, now I want to say a couple things here. First of all, I want to say that as far as the Iranians, they have a reason to have a nuclear power plant. And the reason is they need to be able to run their air conditioning just like anybody else does. And the females who are mothers in Iran need to be able to charge their cell phone so that way they can send text messages to their children. I think most people will be forgiving towards that, and so that's the reason why they should have a nuclear power plant, just because they really need one. And but that's outside of saying that, I also want to say about coal mines. I mean, Grandpa Everett literally had black lung when he died, and we had a friendly Indian um, woman who was his doctor for black lung issues, and she what she did was she literally put a scope down his throat and so forth into his lung, and she was showing me the inside of Grandpa Everett's lung, and it got to the point where you know how if you do study anything about lungs, you see about these little hairs that are in our alveoli and stuff that allows us to breathe deeply or breathe in and out. Well, she would just simply touch that with a probe um, inside his lung cavity, and because of his advanced black lung, his hairs would literally disintegrate on touch. So my point is, though, folks, between well, first of all, let me say, smoking caused part of his problem with lung problems, and also obviously working for as a coal miner. In either case, though, don't smoke cigarettes, and if you have to work in a coal mine, I would suggest you only work in there so many years. That way, you don't end up with the black lung. But in any case, though, folks, just try to do the best you can, folks. And just like we all do here in the United States, we all need our electricity and our power, and we need to charge our cell phones like I do every day. And for that matter, is folks, what we need to do is have a comprehensive plan to figure out these issues with utilities and also for insurance. But the thing is, though, I'm going to leave that to the politicians. I'm going to leave that to the news reporters to sort through. And what we'll probably find out is that most people, even if it's someone working for a different insurance company as a customer service representative, or for that matter, doing somebody working IT, doing computer software for insurance, or for that matter, just someone working in the pipelines for natural gas. A lot of people have their say about what's best for the nation, and we should all listen to each other because a lot of times what we have to say is very important. Other times, if people are lay people like me, doesn't know everything that they should probably know, but most of all, our heart's in the right place. Love you, folks. Be careful.